continue. Changes in Tefillos. The complete Halal is recited on Chanukah. Some poskim of the opinion that just as a woman are included in obligation to lighten the menorah, they are likewise obligated to recite it Halal on Chanukah. Others contend that the recitation is voluntary. A woman who has a time should recite Halal. So it's very, very interesting. So about other days it does not say that that a woman should recite Halal, but here about Hanukkah they do. Right? Of course, if she has time, if she's not busy, if she's busy with her family, with many kids, younger kids, of course, there is no question about it. If she does not have time, she does not have time. But if she does have time, right, and some women, they have kids, they send them to school, husband sent to work, and she has time, but she spend this time talking to her friends, girlfriends on the telephone. That's the issue. So and then they say they don't have time to recite Halal or pray complete prayer. That's of course not right. Okay. So one more time, if she has some poskim say that she should say, and Halal is not so long. I mean, especially after you read it a few times, so you would know, like almost not by heart, but maybe 10 minutes. It's not like 10 minutes. That's it. Okay, continue. Ala Nisim is inserted in Shmona Esra and Birkas Hamazon. One who finished the bracha before realizing she forgot the Ala Nisim need not go back to repeat the davening. However, if one realizes before saying Hashem's name in the conclusion of that bracha, then she should go back, insert it, and continue from there. Once Hashem's name was recited, one may insert Ala Nisim before Yiur L'Ratzon at the end of the Shmona Esra. Yihiratzon. I'm not sure how they spell Yihiratzon. Okay. If forgotten in Birchas Hamazon, it may be inserted after Harachamans. One should check the Siddur for the proper citation and the placing of the insertions. So let's do this piece one more time, and we're going to explain all of these rules. Okay, from the beginning. Ala Nisim is inserted in the Shmona Esra. So Ala Nisim is for I'm not sure how it translates, like for all of the miracles, right? It's closer to the end, before the Modim, before we thank, right? Before the blessing of the thank, and it's like it's in a section for Chanukah and Purim. So and that like beginning is the same, and then it's split Chanukah on one side, Purim on another side. Okay, and we add this addition in both Shmona Esra, so it's very careful, Shmona Esra and Birchas Hamazon. So one more time, one who finishes bracha before realizing she forgot to say Ala Nisim need not go back to repeat the davening. Okay, so that's it. So even like in many cases, and we're going to learn if a person forgets something, right, and he or she like already finished the blessing, but before starting new blessing, there is still room to add something. But here it's not that important. Even though it is important, but not that important. So if she can conclude the blessing, that's it. No more returning, just continue. However, if one realizes before saying Hashem's name, right, so Baruch Atah, right, in the conclusion of the bracha, then she should go back and insert and continue from there. So, but if she said only bless ayu, or blessed, or whatever she said, before pronounces Hashem name, so that's proper. Go in the beginning of this paragraph and start with the addition for Chanukah and continue. Once Hashem's name was recited, one may insert Ala Nisim before Yihiratzon. So Yihiratzon, it's what is it? At the end of the Shmona Esra. And then after this extra paragraph at the end of the extra paragraph. So continue. If forgotten Birchas Hamazon, so in Birchas Hamazon it's closer to the beginning of Birchas Hamazon. It may be inserted after Harachamon. So there is a section of Harachamons, as we said, it's a fourth. Is it fourth? Yeah, it's fourth paragraph, right? So it's on Harachamon. So merciful one, merciful one, and then it's it's already all these sections. After the Torah, it's only custom. I mean, it's a holy custom, but after Harachamon, the fourth paragraph, so you can add this addition for Chanukah. Okay, no problem.